Yeah. Now why don't you take some out and play with them? We're going to bring them over here. Yeah, bring it over here. I'll open it for you. Find your Leapster. More Hello Kitty. Here, bring it over here, dude.
Can I play with this?
Yeah.
Why did he give me Hello Kitty? Can I hold this?
Yeah.
What am I really gonna say? Oh!
I don't know. What are they going to say about
I
it?
think we got 3 more. Maybe you got 2 more. No, I got 3. Look, want to help me? No. I don't want that for me.
Don't bump the camera.
I won't. Mom, look at the presents we got. I see the picture. Mommy, did Santa buy these presents?
Santa and then Grandma and Amanda and Nana.
Green and blue Leapster.
I got a Hello.
Come on.
Puzzle.
Go. Where's the game you got? Go find your game. We'll put it in.
But where's the door?
I think we gotta charge it up, dude.
Oh, go charge it.
Well, it's gonna take a while.
Go. Go. Yeah, how are you going to do it? Do it.
Do it.
Well, Reagan, you still have 2 more
Wait a minute,
presents.
Parker.
Mom, look at my pretty music box.
Are you going to open the rest of your presents? and
Thank
have
you,
your-
Magic Music Box.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it's in the kitchen. It's on the counter. I just need 4 batteries. Ooh, pretty.
Look at that pretty music.
I know.
What? Look at the top. Mom, don't want to play with Pocahontas!
Oh my
Now
goodness.
I got all the princesses!
Yay.
Reagan. I got all the Disneys! What? Where's the house go now? Parker, this
Alice left a letter.
Parker.
He had to go back to the North Pole.
Oh,
Santa.
I need to put it back. Hey, I got. Wait a minute, this little present for me.
Yeah, that's from Aunt Lisa.
Reagan, Parker, want to help me? This is kind of big here. I got some Barbie.
Don't, Parker. That's probably
Oh my God, a chef! Reagan, awesome, the chef! Reagan, what did I know about the chef kid? Reagan, come and take your sock. Come and take your sock.
What is that, Parker?
Oh my God, a chef! I got a chef, Mom. And I got chef kid. And then some of these food are real that inside are real. Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
And look at all these stuff.
Oh, stockings. Yeah, we gotta do stockings.
Another
Wait, let mommy get them for you. Hold
Reagan,
on.
open that gift. Open that. That's from Aunt Lisa.
Here, I'll get the stockings off the counter.
Oh, Parker, here's a gift here. You didn't open
You forgot one, Parker.
You forgot one. Here, let me give it to you. You forgot this one you didn't open. Santa Claus found lots of presents. Oh, this is so pretty. A pretty necklace.
Let me see. Another necklace. Oh, wow. You're going to so many necklaces.
I saw it.
Bring it over here.
Open. Dada, hang the stockings so that we can see
Okay.
what's inside. Parker, open it. What is it? Mom, look at this.
Did you tie these or just?
Yeah, they're tied. With a ribbon. Yeah. Oh, Reagan, it's a locket.
Wow, you have that card? I'm not afraid you don't have that card. Here. Here. So, why not this one get? Or this one get? Or that one get? Do you have this one? Now.
Okay, wait till I get the camera. Hold on.
Look, it's by hand. Don't open them now. You see
Okay, go.
I think we should let her run this till she's older.
candy.
Is it real nice?
Yeah.
Candy.
Keep it separate so you guys don't mess up your piles. What's in there, dude? Candies? Skittles? Some little toys? What is that, a soap?
The chalk.
Chalk.
Now, that's bath. You put it in the bath and it fizzes.
So where's mine? Mommy.
You left yours on the step.
Mommy, is it, and it makes the bath colorful?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look right here. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, yummy. My mom's.
Love of candy.
Turn it upside down and shake it, Reagan. What, dude? Can you eat those? You can eat a couple of them, but then we have to eat breakfast.
Okay. So where's the green one?
What green one?
Is that one fixed?
Yeah. Where's your, yeah, you gotta.
Can I sit somewhere?
Yeah.
Can I sit by you right here? But you use that clothes. Oh my gosh, Parker, you got a sticky man.
Okay, good job, everybody.
Now